With Autodesk Vault's search capabilities, you can greatly reduce the amount of time you spend looking for the information and design data you need to complete your tasks and meet your increasingly tight deadlines. Once you've found the design data you need, you can save further hours of precious design time with Autodesk Vault's intelligent copy design functionality. Rather than starting from scratch, Vault makes it easy to reuse your proved existing designs. Vault enables you to intelligently copy all or part of an existing design, maintaining all references to common components. For example, to update this copied design, you just need to replace a few components. From within Vault, you can directly open the Inventor file and, using the intelligent search functionality, quickly find and replace the necessary components. Simply check the files back into Vault and the design change is complete, with all the related files and documentation already in place. Maximize your company's return on investment in design data by driving design reuse with Autodesk Vault.